I decided to restore this vehicle, make it nice. We're gonna make it more nicer than it was. Well, maybe better than brand new. So let's go ahead there. Right now, I'm gonna show you guys. Just needs a windshield, and I'm gonna show you right away how the truck box looks like. Okay. So okay guys, I'm done cutting the side, the rusted one of the box here. As you can see, that's a big job here. The inner side of this box is rotten too. The inner panel of this outer panel is rusted out. Same thing as the other side. So I decided to not gonna fix this box because it's gonna make lots of work. Not worth it to fix this because it takes time, spend lots of money to fix this. So if I'm gonna buy only the outer panel, it's too expensive. And I need to buy the inner panel too. So that's too much work, too much money to fix this box. So I decided to find a new used one that is better than this. It's not rusted underneath, not too much rust here. So that's a better way of doing it. I'm gonna find a better one, take this box out and put the new used one. So guys, this is gonna find out if you can find a used box. Let's go to some junkyard here and around. I think I'm gonna go to Pick and Pull and see what's in there. So let's go. A little bit cold today, guys. Oops, there's a big truck. Just gonna park here. Yeah, thank you. I have paper here. They give you a paper for which row you can find the Dodge Ram here. There are lots of row, so many Dodge Ram right here. This one is better, guys. I get the box out here. Somebody's helping me around here. That's the box, so I need to push that more over there. So here guys, finally I get the box put on the crane, ready to go. Yeah, here we go. Here's the tow truck coming up. There you go. Picture. Okay, here guys, I started to take off the 6 bolts on this old box here. Another one left here, so I'm gonna finish that one. Okay, here we go, guys. He's out now, smooth and clean. It's waiting for paint. Smooth and shiny. Look at the box. There we go, Ram 1500. It's now closer to ready to rock. Now let's clean up the mess here. Dusty job. There you go. Ram 1500.
Hey
brother,
even if I can borrow a number 13,
13?
please.
Filipino?
Filipino.
Oh, Filipino.
Filipino
din.
ka rin?
Oh.
Filipino.
Say hi to camera. Say hi to camera. Nag-vlog ako.
Holy smoke, camera.
What's your name?
Jesse.
Jesse, Vince. Nice to meet you.
Sa taga saan ka sa atin, boss?
Cebu.
Cebu.
Oh.
O Pangasinan.
Oh, pare, Ryan. Vince. Oh. Nag-vlog ako.
Ay, nag-vlog ka.
Oh.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Pina-vlog ko yung mga mechanic, ano?
Ayos yan mga camera mo ah. Mahirap hanapin kasi yan. Oh, patay. Teka, ito oh, may damage.
Ayan. Ay, ano yan?
Para sa dads.
Oh, dads.
Ay, wag na lang bossing. May damage oh.
May damage?
Pero maano.
Madali lang yan.
Ha?
You can fix it. Ma-fix yan.
Pwede. Hindi naman halata. Importante dito
Oh,
eh.
yan.
Hirap kasi hanapin to eh.
13?
13 please, boss.
Range?
Range.
Range? Oh,
Oh, serious?
you need to take off the doors, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hindi ko yun. May rin siguro ko dito.
Try natin dito. No?
Yeah, hirap ang buhay dito eh.
Ay, sinabi pa.
Hirap yung mga parts.
Ay,
Okay guys, I found some prints here, guys. I found some prints here. Filipino prints. 13. Try this one, bossing.
okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's take off the other side. Whew. Hirap kumita ng pera pa rin, oh. Canada.
Maraming salamat po,
Oh,
sir.
sige.
Hindi
Thank
ikaw,
you,
hindi
bossing.